First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the... Hey, you made me a believer, believer. Hey, you break me down, you made me a believer, believer.
Check, check, yeah, informed on the beat, yeah, things seem better when I'm looking back. Live for the moment and learn to adapt. Don't let things pass by, staring at the world through a glass eye. Yeah, things seem better when I'm looking back. Live for the moment and learn to adapt. Don't let shit pass by, staring at the world through a glass eye. Yo, remember summer days, skipping class, £2 for cider when the slugs weren't wiser and the herb got us higher. Everybody was a rhymer or a DJ, had a shitty speaker every day with the woo-wop replay. In the parks where I stay, don't matter if it's warm, never got grip, shotting in my school uniform, dropping guns till the dawn, looking like a newborn, almost fucking girls like a working sophomore. All my elders did warn that these days are soon over. Now I look back, I hear them say that I told ya. Lost a few soldiers, people change personas. You got to see me and Beaver are still stoners. What the past shows us is not to collect regrets, the effects, put caution in steps. I need to accept life comes in a phase. In a few years what we do with now will be the good days. Yeah, things seem better when I'm looking back. Live for the moment and learn to adapt. Don't let things pass by, staring at the world through a glass eye. Yeah, things seem better when I'm looking back. Live for the moment and learn to adapt. Don't let shit pass by, staring at the world through a glass eye. Yo, it seems dumb when you're old, you wanna be young. And when you're young, you wanna be old. Life moves at a pace that's free-fold, no chance to reload. Here's shit that I'm told, might as well be tapping it out in Morse code. There ain't nothing that I feel that I'm old. Paid dues till I'm there in a gravestone cold. But the puzzle ain't solved, still looking for the answers. On the endless quest for greener pastures. I need more laughters, less disasters, more real people, less wankers. To read from the script like news anchors. Good people are hard to find like underground weed tankers. The truth's there, don't ignore it. Don't waste a minute, we really can't afford it. Tomorrow could see a new me, it's my shout. Or maybe I'll change when I figure this out. Yeah, things seem better when I'm looking back. Live for the moment and learn to adapt. Don't let things pass by, staring at the world through a glass eye. Yeah, things seem better when I'm looking back. Live for the moment and learn to adapt. Don't let shit pass by, staring at the world through a glass eye.